strict tito in the family. As in, kinatatakutan talaga namin siya. And he always had like a strong presence. He was the strict one, opposite of my dad, Monching. And he was always kind of parang yung wise, like madaming tinuturo ganyan. Also, when it came to films, like bata pa lang kami, I think we were 8 years old and he made us watch The Shining. It was Halloween and he put us all in the sala. We were out of town in Subic. He made us watch The Shining. I was probably 9, Vicky was like 7 or 6. And he made us watch Jack Nicholson on Halloween. So, syempre, tutok na tutok kaming lahat kasi The Shining, nakakatakot. Tapos, sobrang bata pa namin. And then we look outside the window of the sliding door and he's standing behind the sheer curtain. Nakaganon. So, syempre, takot na takot kami kasi, do you remember? He went out to scare us. So, ito talaga si Tito Nong. Loko talaga to. We call him Tito Nong kasi he's also a Ninong. So, Tito Nong and Tita Nong. And then, I would always hear stories from my mom na Tito Nong is actually really funny and friendly and like chill and like party. Tapos parang Tito gets na hindi yun yung pagkakakilala namin sa kanya. Kasi syempre, as kids, you know, he would drive like, I think, hanggang 50 kilometers per hour na. And like, he was always very safe, very teaching us to be super careful and things like that. One time, we watched the movie again. So he would take us to watch movies. Siya talaga yung nagtuturo sa amin ng cinema and things like that. So he was the first one who brought us to Power Plant. When Power Plant first opened, with the backstory of Power Plant used to be a power plant, yung ganyan, parang talaga siyang tour guide. So yeah, syempre tutok na tutok kami sa mga kwento. Okay, one of the last times that I hung out naman with Tito Nong was last year in your house, remember? Oo. Tapos, ang gusto niyang gawin, panoorin namin yung pelikula niya. Ricky Tagaw and Cynthia Luster. Yes. Oo. Kasi sabi ko, Tito Nong, yung next show ko medyo action, lavender fields, talaga ba? Ako gumagawa lahat ng stunts ko. So, yung birthday party sa bahay, naging film viewing. We watched the entire movie. Tapos, pinapaliwanag niya bawat stunt. At meron pang stunt na proud siya kasi sumabit siya sa helicopter na wala siyang stunt double. And talaga namang nakakamangha. And we're so grateful to get, you know, the first-hand experience of all his, you know, career experiences and his love for the job. And sobrang proud lang kami, I think, you know, to be part of his family. And I don't know, honestly, hindi pa talaga nagsisink. And like, this feels kind of like taping. Kasi meron din akong isang last na kay Tito Ricky. Siya yung tatay ko dati sa teleserye, but he was also the director. Pero nag-cameo siya bilang tatay ko. Tapos yung role ng tatay, mamamatay. So may eksena na nasa kabaong siya. Pero nag-direct siya. Hindi siya nakadedicated sa trabaho niya. Kasi nakahiga siya. Pero, yan, i-close up mo. Sa dedicated niya. Sige, nasa na niya. Tapos kakatok na lang siya. Cut. So, I'm very lucky to have known him as family and as work. And we love you, Tito Nong. And hindi ko na alam kung paano to, but we love you and thank you so much everyone for loving him the way we do.